Thrybergh dates back to the Anglo-Saxon period, with the name meaning the place of 3 hills. Following the Norman conquest, the population was around 30 people, with the land belonging to William de Percy. The estates then passed to the Reresby family in 1342, with around 80 people living there. There were 2 quarries here in that century as well. There were then 2 coal pits by 1630. In 1705, the estates passed to the Saville family before passing to the Fullerton family, with a new hall being built by them in 1810. Coal mining then dominated the local industry when Silverwood Colliery was established, with shaft sinking commencing in 1900. Thrybergh Reservoir was built between 1876 and 1880 and used as a source of drinking water. It's seen many a story, including one of tragedy when, on Monday the 17th of August 1916, an 11-year-old boy named Alfred Hale drowned in the reservoir. It was also allegedly the site of a suffragette plot on New Year's Day 1914, when they apparently planned to cut the service pipes to the reservoir. It was acquired by Rotherham Council in 1980, who opened the site as a nature reserve and country park in 1983.